Hi everyone, Alex here from Tutorials and welcome to a new video. Today I'll show you the third best tip to get more cinematic shots. And also don't forget to subscribe for weekly content about Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects and also camera tricks. The third best tip to get more cinematic shots is to keep your camera moving. Also, if your shot needs to be from a tripod, you can add a post-production scale animation so that it seems that the camera is moving. You can also add fake handheld movement on your tripod shot. I made a preset which you can download from the first link in the description. And now you can see two shots, one normal shot and one with all of my 3 best tips to get more cinematic shots. And now we are ready. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe for weekly content about Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects and camera tips.